Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Anker 675 USB-C docking station 12 in one monitor stand wireless, a versatile all-in-one solution designed to enhance your workspace. This docking station combines a 12-in-1 hub with a monitor stand and a built-in wireless charging pad. It features a 100-watt USB-C upstream port for laptop charging, dual 10 gigabits per second USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, SD/MicroSD card readers, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The integrated key wireless charging pad delivers up to 10 watts, allowing you to charge your phone effortlessly while keeping your desk organized. Designed to support monitors up to 22 pounds, the stand elevates your screen to an ergonomic height, reducing neck and back strain. With a 180-watt power supply, the Anker 675 ensures all connected devices receive sufficient power. Its built-in cable management system keeps your workspace tidy and clutter-free. If you're looking to streamline your desk setup with a multifunctional device, the Anker 675 USB-C docking station 12-in-1 monitor stand wireless is a compelling choice. Click the link below for the best price, and thanks for watching.